Let's go. Let's go with me, Andre. Don't go with me. Benito. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. You're sing for me. You're favorite.
What is your name? I want cake. Any song from him. Is it your birthday tonight? Alright. From what country are you from, sir? Are you Spanish? What? Czech Republic. All the way from Czech Republic. Alright. Carlito. Alright. Carlito. Alright. Wow. Nice.
Go.
Alright. And what's the name of our birthday boy?
Kanta mo na yan.
Andra. Wow.
Andre.
Such a unique name.
Andre.
Happy birthday, Andre, all the way from Czech Republic. And we Filipinos we want to celebrate with you so you can see how hospitable we are and how happy we are when we have a celebration, right? So if he sings, you dance. Okay. Alright. Thank you so much. Alright, so baka tayo na natin sa birthday niyo. Dito ngayon.
Benito, let's go. Yes, you must do it. I have to say, let's go. Benito, don't be shy. Your time to be fake. Go.
Halika na, bossing.
Go. Benito, let's go. Benito. You need to go in.
Tulungan ka daw.
Halika na, bossing.
Go with him.
So, kaya naman gusto ko daw. Andre. Oh! Bakit ka bumabalik? Halika na dito.
Let's make video.
Masyado matakbo. Ano katay mo, sir? Okay lang yun, no? Paus din kami. It's a tie. Ano katay mo, si Renz Verano? Anong kanta ni Renz Verano? Kahit ano daw Renz Verano. Yes, of course. Baka may litos ka rin na. Gusto mo natin makakawa ng birthday mo? Happy birthday! Yeah, of course, all the birthday celebrants here. Happy birthday! Thank you so much for choosing a vacation. And to our other friend, hello there. You can also request one of your favorite songs.
Start! Benito, start!
Ayan na. Nakabosin sa gitna. Para makita ka na. Siyempre, kailangan malakas mo ng palakpakan. Para wala yung paos.
Grins, Verano ka pa.
Sir Brian is here on stage.
So nervous because we are star.
Baka